In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update email account settings in Outlook for Windows using the web interface. Starting with the basics, head over to the Microsoft Outlook page on your web browser. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In page where you'll need to enter your login details. Go ahead and carefully type in your email address and password, ensuring there are no typos. Once everything looks good, click Next to proceed to the Outlook dashboard. Now here's something important to keep in mind. In the new Outlook Windows interface, it's not possible to directly update or change your email account settings. That might seem a bit inconvenient, but don't worry. There's an easy workaround using the Outlook web interface, and I'm here to guide you through that process. While you're on the Outlook dashboard, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the page. There, you should see a profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select My Microsoft Account. This is your gateway to managing all sorts of account details and settings. Once you're in the My Microsoft Account section, a world of options will open up to you. You can update your account information, personal details, and more. You might find it helpful to take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the various sections available. There's quite a bit you can manage beyond just email settings, including subscriptions, devices, security settings, privacy controls, order history, and even your payment options and address book. So, take your time to explore these areas if you wish. If updating your email account settings is your main focus, look for sections that specifically relate to security and privacy or account information, as these are likely where you'll find the settings you need. From here, you can make any necessary changes to your email preferences or security details to keep your account secure and tailored to your needs. A quick tip, a little attention goes a long way. Double-check any changes you make for accuracy, especially if you're dealing with security details, as they can be crucial in keeping your account safe. Also, ensure that you're using a secure password and consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. With these steps, you should now have your email settings updated to your liking through the Outlook web interface. Once you're satisfied with your updates, it's always a good idea to log out of your account, especially if you're using a public or shared computer, to maintain your privacy and security. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day updating your settings.